Okay, so here's a tablet that usually sits, um, you know, in one of our drawers. So here, you get some of these little Velcro deals. You can get them anywhere, any stores. A lot of stores sell them. And look, this put a couple of them on there, like so. Press them down. Okay, like so. Oh, get back on there. Okay, so now I got that on there, and I'm gonna pause it here and catch you when I get in there. All right, now as you can see, I put two of the Velcros on the mirror there. And what was that noise? Now I'm gonna show you the paste of resistance. So there you go. You see the Velcro there. And all you have to do, hold on a minute. I have to pause this because I don't want to drop my tablet. Alrighty. Am I recording? Okay, now I think I'm recording. Hit my, where's my red zone? There you go. Red zone. And here we go.
He starts like he's going to the slant. No one runs more slants than these Green Bay
Now
Packers.
that's what I call a thing of
Gives him the shot
UK.
to the fade.
And
a
fellas,
perfectly thrown ball, and Devontae
don't
Adams
forget,
rolls it in.
set one
Rodgers
up
starts
in
5
the
for
bathroom
5.
for your wife with all the shows she likes. All right, that's been my tip for today. Later.